Hello everyone and welcome to Life Simplified. With over 15 years of work experience in middle and senior management in corporate world, I can say with confidence that good communication and presentation skills provides you with an edge in your career. And this reason is motivation enough for you to get started on your journey towards mastering spoken English. It's also important that we keep the process of learning fun and simple. And that's the reason today's video is not going to be about reading English newspapers or watching English news. In fact, this video is also not about just promoting some paid app. Do watch this video till end to get some budget-friendly ideas to keep up with your spoken English learning. So without further ado, let's get into the 5 simple and fun ways to enhance your spoken English skills along with a very interesting bonus tip at the end of this video. If anyone has ever told you that reading is not important to learn a language, don't pay heed to that advice. Reading provides you the opportunity to learn at your own pace, and that's absolutely essential if you are a beginner. I grew up in a traditional Gujarati family and we lived in north of India. The moment we stepped out of the home, the language of communication switched from Gujarati to Hindi. Familiarity and expertise in English language was built at school by reading, writing, and later talking in English. To begin reading in a new language, it's important to choose the right kind of material, and I would suggest comics to begin with. Not only comics contain colorful illustrations and big pictures, the language used is also easy and simple to understand. Amar Chitra Katha, the Tinkle Digest, Archie's, Asterix, and Obelix are few of my favorites. To help you with some good reading material, you might also want to check out Maxter app. This app provides access to more than 5,000 publications to help you read content of your choice and interest. The last I checked, the annual subscription to this app costed about 4,000 rupees. This app is compatible with both Android as well as iOS devices. Now, in case budget is a constraint, don't worry, Life Simplified is there to help you. You can simply choose to download NCERT school curriculum English books of any grade depending on your current expertise level. These books are available at ncert.nic.in for free downloads. These books contain short stories, poems, and excerpts from accomplished authors to help you in your learning journey. In case you are already reading something to improve your language, do drop in a comment about the genre of your interest. While reading helps build your vocabulary, listening helps with pronunciations. Wide variety of available podcasts makes choosing the content of your choice extremely easy. For example, listening to 7 Good Minutes with Clyde Lee Dennis on Spotify with morning jogs is my absolute favorite as it provides me with a great start to the day. Along with Spotify, the other free app to check out is Pratilipi FM. The link to both these apps will be provided in the description below. Apart from free apps, the paid app that I would highly recommend would be Audibles. Audibles provide free access to wide variety of audiobooks, which you can listen to basis your convenience doing your regular chores like driving to office or while cooking. Watching English videos can be another way to master your learning skills. Now, this can be in the form of watching a Hollywood movie, a web series on OTT platforms like Netflix or Amazon, or simply watching English videos on YouTube. While watching videos, be mindful of diction, accent, and facial expressions and keep mimicking the same. While most content on OTT platforms comes along with subtitles to help you with learning, OTT platforms are not free and one has to subscribe to access the same. On the other hand, YouTube provides with a wide variety of free content with an added advantage to change the speed of video to match your pace of learning. So go on, watch some English videos from Life Simplified. In terms of choosing the right genre to begin with, I would recommend watching animated movies and cartoons. Not only is the imagination vivid and the content light-hearted, the language is simple and easy to understand. Perception of others can deter you from talking in English when in public. Oh, what will people say? They will come to know that I don't know English. And many such fears like this can become a mental block. But don't worry, you're not alone in this. According to a research, speaking in public or glossophobia is rated amongst top 3 fears worldwide. And guess what? It is rated even higher than fear of death. So to help you overcome the fear of speaking in English, Here are my top 3 tips. First, choose a close friend or a family member and ensure that every time that you speak with this particular person, it is always in English. Second, choose a topic of your interest and speak about it for at least 3 minutes. Record this speech on your smartphone to help you monitor your progress. In case you find these 2 tips difficult to follow to begin with, simply start by reading aloud your chosen reading material. In case you are learning English to crack an interview for an exam or a job, it's important to prepare in advance. Picking up from numerous recruiting interviews that I have taken in past, I tend to ask few questions to know the candidate better. And these questions are: tell me something about yourself. What are your 3 strengths and weaknesses? What are your hobbies, or what do you prefer to do in your pastime? Why do you think we should consider you for this job or this position? Who is the person you admire the most and why? Where do you see yourself 5 or 10 years from now? Knowing answers to these questions is like a cheat sheet. Write down answers to these questions and rehearse them repeatedly in front of the mirror till the time you have mastered it. Now take help of somebody from your social circle who's comfortable with English and ask him to conduct a mock interview. Post the mock interview, seek feedback and implement suggestions if it resonates with you. One important piece of advice: none of these activities can be a one-time process. It's important to keep practicing regularly, and hence I will highly recommend you to keep aside 30 minutes daily and keep at it till you've mastered the skill of spoken English. Now moving on to the interesting bonus tip. What if I tell you that you can play a fun game to learn English? And to add icing on the cake, what if I tell you that this game is provided to you absolutely free? I am sure you will grab it like the free masala golgappa that we get at the end of eating a plate full of golgappas. This app can make your English learning a delight. The app is called Duolingo. Once you download this app and choose your learning language to be English, the interface automatically changes to Hindi. The screen then takes you to 2 options wherein you get to choose your current level of expertise. Then begins the fun game, which begins by introduction to simple words followed by sentence formation. Like in any game, as you keep scoring, the level gets tougher to enhance your learning. Isn't that a great way to learn? So that's all in today's video. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up. In case you want a Hindi version of this video, do drop me a comment. Till we meet next, stay tuned to Life Simplified.